ready to head up to Rocky Mountain Park. Okay, we stopped up here in Estes Park. We can't get into the national park for another hour because you cannot get in even 2 minutes early or even 2 minutes late. Yeah, the snow is pretty deep. Look at that. It's as deep as that truck. All right, we're up here in the snow. We're at the top. All right, we're getting ready to head up to Rocky Mountain Park. Finally get to go there. We're going to go up to the Alpine Village or whatever it is, visitor center, and there should be lots of snow up there.
Might be snowing right now.
Yeah, it could be snowing now with all this, with it raining. So we're going to go up get some breakfast and then head up into the park. We got time pass from noon to 2 is our entry time. I heard it's bad up there because of road construction, so we'll see how that goes. Got Sam and Susie. So we stopped for breakfast with Sam. Okay, we stopped up here in Estes Park. We can't get into the into the national park for another hour. So we had a good breakfast. So now we're just gonna walk around town for an hour because you cannot get in even 2 minutes early or even 2 minutes late. So we'll go check this place out.
I've been acting like a wild man, sleeping like a child. You're so luminous and vibrant. I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom. Always in bloom for you.
Guaranteed, if we're in it, that's the one.
People will love us. I just showed my driver's license in the past.
They should still have if you've got a pass this lane. I mean, season pass versus everyone's got to pay with a car or cash.
I always pick the wrong line.
I know it doesn't matter, but this line's ridiculous.
Come on, talk to him for half an hour. Hello.
Hi there. I just need to see the time on it.
Just zoom in, take 2 fingers and squeeze it in.
12 o'clock. Perfect. And
Yeah, try not to be one of those people that's in line for half an hour. Yeah,
hey,
yeah
makes
thanks.
it go quicker. Thank you.
Yeah.
Always in bloom for
Okay, we finally made it in. How long do you say we waited in line?
Half of them,
Was it really that long?
20 minutes.
And I always get in the slowest line, as you'll see in dash cam. And just as we get into the park, it starts downpouring. Wouldn't you know it? So it's not going to make it fun to get out at any of the stop points. A lot of snow on the mountains. We were hoping to get a bunch of good pictures and video in the park, but it's looking kind of like a miserable day. We'll see how it goes.
It's calling me, like the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow. The rainbow.
Everybody's trying to turn around here.
I know. Beetle Falls. Cars like going down there.
It's calling me. Like the rainbow. I can't control it. My eyes are wide open. It's calling me. Like the rainbow.
Getting wet out there. See Sam's new jacket? Pretty cool.
Like the rainbow. The rainbow.
Yeah, the snow is pretty deep. Look at that. It's as deep as that truck.
Oh, cool. You can see all the layers too. Each time it snowed, it added a layer.
Reach out and get a snowball.
We got this one day soon. We got this one day soon. One day soon. One day
Alright, we're up here in the snow. We're at the top. Thinking about you, my favorite YouTube watcher, Joanna. She won't drive up here. She's afraid of this road. But it's a nasty, nasty day. Sue and Sam won't even get out of the Jeep. Snow bouncing around on the top. Snow's collecting on the car. On the road it's slushy. But lots of snow on these mountains here. Okay, so we're up at Alpine Lodge, and they got huge snow drifts. Pretty cool. Look at all that snow. Plus it's snowing right now. It's in the 30s up here. But we saw pictures of this place when it was all snowed in. Last time we looked at that building right there, the snow was going over the roof on camera. Trouble is, the views are really blocked out because of all the snow. It's kind of like a whiteout conditions. Quite a few people up here. So, yeah, you can't, over on the lookout over here, they have it closed. The snow's piled up so much, they must have pushed it off over there. Go in the gift shop here. Can't see very far. Snow's out the window. Snow's really coming down now. I met a real nice guy in there, 91 years old, from Colorado Springs. Gives me another 21 years. Good to think about that. All right. So the snow was up over this roof. Got our Texas license plates. We want a sticker that says we're not really from Texas. Oh no! I got ducked again. We got ducked twice at the other place. Now we got 5 ducks in the window. Somebody drove their RV up here. Brave people. Sue, we got ducked again.
Ducked
Yep.
with a G. Oh, and you keep getting little rubber ducks.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's. So walk toward.
Dad said he got ducked again.
Walk toward. So how long do you think it'll take for this to melt?
Tell them the date. What's the date?
Today is June 1st, isn't it?
Yep. Cool.
The roof too.
Yeah, it's a little better than it was when we got out.
Yeah, it's really not cold.
Yeah.
It's a cool hike, but the whole time I was hiking last time, I was just thinking about how it was the last day I was here. I was gonna have to fly back to New Orleans to go to work the next day.
Oh,
Really?
So I didn't do this.
like day before vacation ends, it's always the
Yeah.
We pulled in once a long, long time ago when you guys were little. Had a picnic back in here.
Guys,
Did we? On this trail? I've never been on this trail.
Been on the one down the road a lot.
Yeah.
Well, we went on a long hike in the woods.
So we got down out of the mountains and we're going to go up here and see the source of the Colorado River. Take a little hike. Got to get out and stretch for the drive back.
a bunch of steps up here.
Yeah, I'm excited. At least they're long and flat.
Yeah. Where's the Colorado River?
I didn't see anything on the sign that said that.
Yeah, there was that little trail that went off that way. Maybe it was down there.
Maybe we should go that way.
Not like that.
Made it down to the Colorado River. It's not very big here. I'm gonna walk over there to those rapids.
They moved.
Yep. The Bowen Baker Trail. We always stop here, see the Colorado River. One time we even hiked way back up in those mountains to the Never Summer Trail. Every time we come to Rocky Mountain, we always got to come back into here, come back to the Colorado River. Came here with Luke and Lisa one time. With Sam now. Colorado River. Pretty out here. Looks like some of those trees might be coming back. Remember how we used to look out over here and it was like all dead? Every tree was dead over there.
Back up in there, so.
Yeah, because of the bark beetle or whatever. Pine beetles.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody said, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. 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 here on my own.
Not that one. Tent spot right there is nice.